Welcome to Kids Cooking with Missy, bringing culture back to the kitchen. My name is Missy and I was born here in Fort McMurray. My dad is First Nations Dene and my mom is Ukrainian and French. When I was small, I used to watch cooking shows and wanted to have my own channel. I have always enjoyed making my own food and learning about my culture. Now I want to share with you what I have learned. Do you like the smell of fresh baked bread? Have you ever had bannock? There are many ways to make bannock. Today I'm going to show you how to bake it and fry it. You might need an adult to help. I was baking bannock at 4 years old with the help of my dad to use the oven, and my brother, who is 12 years old, can fry bannock. You can eat bannock at any time for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even dessert. Bannock was a food shared to us by the first European settlers. It is special to each family. Recipes are usually passed down and may be a bit different or changed over time. My grandma Celine Cyprian taught my dad and my dad taught me. First, I'm going to show you how to bake it, and while it bakes, I will show you how to fry it. First, we need to wash our hands and get our workspace all clean and ready. First, I will show you how to bake bannock. The ingredients are 2½ cups flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2½ teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ cup of cold butter, 1 egg, and 1 cup of buttermilk. First, we will combine the flour. Then the sugar. Then the baking powder. Then the baking soda. And the salt. Then we will cut the butter. Once the butter is cut in and the flour looks crumbly, we can add the egg. And buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can make your own by using 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon vinegar and let it sit for 15 minutes. Now it's time to mix it up. Now it's time to get messy. First, we're gonna take off all the dough on here. I'm gonna place it right here. Now we're gonna try and shape it into like a ball. Once the dough is mixed, we will flatten it on the baking sheet. This is the fun part. Once the dough is flat, we will poke it with a fork. Then we will put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to bake it until it's golden brown all around the edges. Take out of the oven and let cool. We like to eat this with butter or jam. We will let that bake and I will show you how to fry it. You will need 1 cup of oil in a frying pan, and in a bowl we will mix 2.5 cups flour, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup warm water, and 2 teaspoons oil. Heat up frying pan and oil. Now it's time to make the bannock. Now it's time to get messy. Now we're going to take a chunk of it and make it into a pancake. You can use the counter if you want. It doesn't also have to be perfect. Now, we made one. I'm gonna make some for the rest of my family. Don't play with it too much, or else it will get hard. This is my dad's secret. He taught me to cut a line in the middle and don't get too close to the edge. And we do this because it helps it cook evenly. The line does not have to be perfect. The oil should be heated up enough. Let's try. You're gonna take your 2 fingers and put it in water, then you're gonna flick it. When it sounds like that, it's ready. Now, I'm gonna take a fork, I'm gonna get the tip of it, you're gonna put your hand under it, then you're gonna carefully place it on. And if you splash it, the hot oil will splash in your face, so you have to put it in carefully. And put your hand over it so then it doesn't fall to the ground. You do not want to waste any of this yummy bannock. You can add them all at the same time. How you're gonna flip them is you're gonna grab the edge again, and then you're gonna flip them over. You can tell when it's ready because it's gonna turn gold brown. Be careful, because if you don't flip it right, the hot oil can still splash in your face. There you go. You can also tell by looking around the edges. I can't wait to eat this. Once they kind of look like a golden brown, you can grab something so then it doesn't drip all over your floor. I'm grabbing a pot lid, then you're gonna stick it where you already put it through. Gonna put it over. You're gonna place it on a rag like that. Do that one more. And be careful like this too, because it actually might also burn your hand while you're picking it up. Our baked bannock should be ready. Make sure to get some oven mitts so then your hands don't burn. It smells so good. Baked bannock and fried bannock. For the fried bannock, you can toss in sugar and cinnamon mix or eat with honey. This makes a great dessert or snack. I like to eat my baked bannock with strawberry jelly.